Yesterday, Mr. Siddaramaiah press meet. They're diverting the issues. Already 3 agencies, first time in the Karnataka history. One case, 3 investigation. CBI, ED, SSIT. Before coming any result from the inquiring authorities, Siddaramaiah given the clean check to Nagendra and Daggal. Means this government is avoiding. They want to close the 187 crores of Dalit scandal, Dalit amount gone to Hyderabad, Telangana. They want to close it. That's why yesterday CM given the statement. It is wrong. They looted, Congress government looted this Dalit amount. We will not leave. We will already we protested outside the assembly and inside assembly also. Future also we will take this issue. This is a big scandal in Karnataka. So they looted the Dalit amount. We will continue the protest.
CM said almost all amount has been recovered, but you are saying we will not allow this to go away and Congress government to hide away.
How can they recover? It's gone to the election. They distributed the money for the wine stores to distribute the liquor, the distribution of money. How can they will bring back?
Are they giving
Means I think Siddaramaiah's followers, they have taken the money. They will give back. Means this money gone to election. Siddaramaiah will approve this statement. This is wrong.
So
they looted.
So you're saying they're giving clean chit to themselves? In this
100%. They are giving the clean chit to the already arrested Nagendra and Daggal. They want to give the clean chit because if they will say it's not our money, it's a party money, it's a Congress party money, means everybody will come in the track. That's why they are to close this scandal. That's why they are doing, because they are afraid. CM only giving the press meet means they are afraid.
Sir, in session they have proposed one cess increase right after the other prices, 1 to 2% on the OTT and the tickets. 1 to 2% of
bill has been tabled, but it has still not been passed in the Assembly.
It's been proposed, sir.
Already petrol, diesel, stamp duty, milk, everything rise. So once again they started to put the taxes of cinema theaters, OTT, something. Means this government is become pauper government. So there is no money.
So they
That's
are
why
generating money.
generating yes, they are generating the money. Already they are started. Now they started in OTT.
Sir, last one question. N.R. Ramesh, a BJP leader, has filed a complaint with the Lokayukta today against Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and the Moda scam. How is the BJP looking at this? Because the Congress and the government states that this is a motivated witch hunt of the Chief Minister.
Yeah, 100%, no doubt at all. CM family involved this in case. 14 sites taken Siddaramaiah family. So already 86,000 people are waiting for the site. So after Siddaramaiah 14 site, his followers taken hundreds of sites. So it's a more than 3,000, 4,000 crore scandal. So that's why in the assembly we will raise the issue. That also we will fight as Valmiki Nigama scandal. Same type we will fight in the assembly.
So CM Siddaramaiah has told 21 lists he has given about BJP's alleged.
Already it is going inquiries. Already it is going. He given 40% BJP government. Already 15 months over. What happened? Nothing happened. All false. All false.
Congress minister also claim ED is a compromised agency, sir. How do you see that?
Because they are fear. They are fear. If anything, they can go to court. ED unnecessarily enter in this issue. There is no issue for ED. They can go to the court. Why not they are going to court?